So we're focusing on eyebrow. This is EYEBROW KIT. So as you can see, I look odd without eyebrows. So, yeah, you didn't know they were that faint, huh? Yeah, they are. So on here, you'll see that on one end it's like a putty, the other end is a powder. There is a two-ended brush, bigger end and a smaller end. I'm going to use the bigger end for the putty, and I just start filling in my eyebrows.
I was impressed.
Just filling it in. So the powder is really a setting. So we set the brows with powder.
This man with whom I labored for years before he died. And I loved him like my own father.
So we just trace it.
In 1969,
It's better to clean up your brows if you have wild hairs, or even to get them threaded so they can align them. So, how should your eyebrows actually be? Well, if you take a straight in, the end should be at the tear duct, so it should be there. This should end at the end of your eye, and if you want to know where the arch is, it's actually at an angle from the center of your pupil. So you have that. So there's one brow. Let's put powder because the powder is actually the setting. So it sets the putty part of the brow kit. So now, totally different, right?
And that was his trademark.
It frames the face. So eyebrows, they're so important that you do have eyebrows because they literally frame the face. And I have something weird about that. Like, I can't trust you if you don't have eyebrows. Like, what's wrong with you? There's something missing.
Going to someone's home and sitting on the front porch.
So again,
and through your
we're
actions,
tracing.
words, and deeds that you would actually come to love them.
And just filling in the actual brow. Now, some of you may not have eyebrows at all. And if that's you, that's okay. Remember what I said about in, ear, ear. It's literally lines. That's all it is. Take something straight and just start angling it. So you know where your brow should start, where it should end, and where an arch should be if you wanted an arch. I know some people don't care for arch, but that's kind of the look with the arch. So again, I'm filling in this eyebrow with the putty part.
To kind of dismantle this organization and make it more invisible and make it less of an organization.
So there is that.
A network of friends.
Anything else?
When it started, they went the route of a lot of other ministries. They had a letterhead, and they had all of the trappings of every other religious ministry.
So there are my eyebrows. If they look one more thicker than the other, you can always adjust it because it is putty, so it's easy to move around. You can brush it. I know that there are some people that have eyebrow brush, which usually that's what I would use. I'm out, so I decided to try the putty, the eyebrow kit. I personally like e.l.f. It's really cheap. This is like $3, so it's really cheap. I don't use foundation from e.l.f. I actually like Milani, which you can get at Walgreens for like, I don't know, $13. But it lasts forever, and it has amazing coverage. So I would go with that if you're looking for something that gives you even skin tone and great coverage that has a set, like mine sets like a powder look. So again, here is e.l.f. If you have any questions, just drop me a line. Thanks for watching.